This weekend, we're doing it for the gram. Welcome to the Weekender. About 2 days ago, we had a decent amount of snowfall here in the US, so today I figured I'd do something I haven't done in a while. At some point last year, I came up with this idea where I would write out words in the snow and then use my drone to fly up high where the words were a lot more visible, and I thought it'd be a really fun picture. I know the first one I did just said, you know, very rudimentary writing. It just said, "Hi Mom," and the second one said, "Trust the process." Today we're going to do the same thing. So it took me a bit of time to try to figure out what I wanted to write in the snow. By the time you see this, the Eagles will be getting real close to their playoff game against either the Saints, Panthers, or the Falcons. So today I'm gonna write "Go Birds" in the snow, take the drone up, but I wanted to show you the process of that, basically from start to finish. Let's go. Whew. It's about like 15 degrees out here, a little bit of wind, hope you can hear me. We do have a windscreen on this mic. What we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna write all capital letters. They're a little easier to write with a shovel, a lot of straight lines. We'll write the bottom line of text is gonna be birds, top line of text is gonna be go. What you'll probably see me doing is I'll make sure I don't ruin the letters by hopping in and out of where I started shoveling. So the letters might be a little close together, so that's because I just need to hop into those spots. And so what we're gonna do is shovel the snow out so you can kind of see the grass, and then it'll be a lot more visible from up in the air. All right, let's do it. Whew, all finished, as you can see behind me. Some of the portions of the letters are probably off, like towards the end. With the D and the S and birds, I was getting a little tight on space. I got a little too eager with the letter I think. But let's get the drone out. We'll take her up, see how it looks. It's a little windy out, so I'm gonna try to fly very carefully. Wind is really swirling right now. I'm trying to bring it down. Whew. Got the drone back. Winds were really swirling around. Couldn't land it back on this table that we were over here, so I just went to the driveway, just landed it there. This is what the end Instagram looks like. Check me out. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. Put it up right here. That's it for me today. If you like what you see, give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have a good weekend. I'll see you next time.